Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the Emporio Armani 3-pack trunk stretch cotton underwear, boxers, whatever you want to call them. So this is the blue and black version. There's different versions available. Also in the post today I got from Boots, thank you Boots, gave me a free sample of the bad boy, Carolina Herrera. It's very nice, but I don't plan on buying it anytime soon. Sorry Boots, I'm very sorry, but I will buy it one day, because at the moment all my money is going on food, car, and I'm just buying up stock at the moment as well. So I'm doing some stock videos as well, so I'll probably pop them up sometime soon. And yeah, alright, let's go ahead with this Emporio. And oh, when I say soon, I mean when I don't know, depends how many videos I have to put up first, because there's a lot. Okay, Emporio Armani 3-pack trunk. Yeah, got a picture of some guy with a 6-pack. And what the hell is that? Astaghfirullah. Okay, let's see. So this is a medium size. I've not tried them out yet, but yeah. So once you buy these, you can't return them. So there's no returns no matter what. So make sure you get your right size. So check your waist size and stuff. So hopefully these will fit me. Hopefully they do. Okay, so we got black, turquoise. This is the style itself. As you can see, it's a bit muddled up. That's because I've took it out before. So just so I can have a look. So these are £33 for 3. So that's £11 a piece, I guess, which isn't too bad. It's made in Laos. So look here. The box is pretty plain. So look. So these are the size guides. So we're on the UK, EU. So we're looking at waist. Wait, what? Okay, we'll go off the American one. Waist is 32-34. So that's how ours works. Okay, so you can follow them on Armani. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh shit, this one is my favorite. Look at this guy, the first one here. Get out. Wow, this one looks amazing, guys. It's like bright blue, and turquoise blue is really nice. A black band there. So with my Calvin Kleins that you saw ages ago, I'm doing my clothes playlist. They lasted about 4 years, so that's not bad. And I've had some so when they run out, I've got some more Calvin Kleins and some more Calvin Kleins. So I've decided to go to a different brand instead, because the Calvins were more priced than this, but these look better and they're better brand, I guess. They're more expensive of a brand, so that's weird, isn't it? So yeah, hopefully they're better quality as well. Okay, so that's the back of it, as you can see. Let me just show you everything. Okay, so the stitching looks alright. So look here. So this is the band itself. It feels very soft. All of this feels very soft, so that's really good. Show me that. So this is the front. So this is what it's going to look like on the front. It does need some crease, whatever is creased. Yeah. Okay, so that's where your member is going to be. Okay, so the inside is here. It's very stretchy, I believe. Let me try. Let me put my leg in here. Ooh. Yep, very stretchy. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, so we got let's have a look here. So this is what it's made out of. Everything. Check the authenticity, so you can actually check how authentic your underwear is, which is mad. I don't think it tells you how to wash it and stuff, no. But that is a very long tag, guys. I'm gonna have to cut this off 100%, because that's gonna itch your asshole. Okay, let's have a look inside. Inside is very soft, it looks like, and the stitching's done well, so it won't poke out on your leg. Look at that, very good stitching. So that's not gonna irritate you or anything, so that's really good. Let's go ahead and look at the other color styles. Oh, it's very hard with one hand. Okay, so this one's got the tag on it. Alright, so this one's very nice as well. It's black with blue accent at the top. Really like this one as well. My favorite is the other one though, but that's really nice. So this is the one with the Armani tag on. Don't know why. Okay, blah blah blah. Made in Laos. Take that off, and I think this one's the exact same. So you get two of these black and blue ones. Oh no, it's not the same. So each one is different. So this at the band is more black here, and you just have the outlines in blue. So that's pretty cool as well. I like that. It says Giorgio Armani, GA, and Emporio Armani there. I like that. You got the eagle as well for the Armani. Oh, I like it. So yeah, I really like them. For £33, they're not bad. They probably will fit me, so hopefully they do. If not, then that's £33 gone. I got these from Selfridges, I think. Yeah, Selfridges. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.